For the first time ever, we're going to prove who is the best at Nitro Circus. It's a freestyle motocross contest, and it is a straight-up legitimate competition. Are you ready for the biggest tricks in FMX? Chucky Norris, what do you got? Contest time.
Pretty good to start us, Bruce.
6, 5, 5. Adam Jones, he's won an X Games gold medal. Dead body backflip. Pastrana gives it an 8. Piranha gives it a 7. Nathan Brown gives it an 8. Lazy boy backflip.
Massive lazy boy backflip. The judges like that.
Well, we've got a contest in the first half, so I don't know what the second half is going to have in store because normally this ends the show.
All right, round 2. What do we got? Cordova backflip. Oh! 7, 8, and 7.
Cliffhanger backflip. He doesn't like to lose, AJ, and that was huge.
9, 9, 9. Canberra. Josh Sheard. Ruler flip.
Big from Cheaty.
That was a big ruler flip from Josh Sheard.
Oh, huge from Cheaty.
9 from Pastrana, 9 from Piranha, 8 from Nathan Brown. Canberra, there's one guy left. He is currently sitting in second place. So will you please make enough noise for Harry Big to throw down? Backflip, rock solid!
Massive!
Have a look at the replay on this. Harry Big, upside down, letting it go, flying beneath the bike. Harry Big, Travis Pastrana gives him a 9. Trevor Piranha gives him a 9. And Nathan Brown gives the first 10 ever in competition.
Harry Big, the local boy.